Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about scope of variables, part of programming in C course. In C programming, the scope of a variable determines its accessibility and visibility within the program. The scope of a variable can be either local or global. Local variables, variables that are declared inside a function are called local variables. They have local scope and are only accessible within the function where they are declared. The lifetime of a local variable is only within the function and it is destroyed when the function returns. In this example, the variable x is declared inside the print value function and it is not accessible outside the function. The printf statement outside the function will result in a compile error. Global variables. Variables that are declared outside of all functions are called global variables. They have global scope and are accessible from anywhere in the program. The lifetime of a global variable is throughout the lifetime of the program. In this example, the variable x is declared outside of all functions and is accessible from both the main function and the print value function. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.